open this right now. Keep it for later. There's gonna be another video. Or actually, let's open it up. Sorry about the indecision. But here we go. Before I set up the phone, I'm gonna open the Samsung 74-inch watch. Classic. I love the classic feel. I love the old scrolling functionality the S24 Ultra has. I mean the classic, the Galaxy 6 Classics. You can hear the clickiness of this. And this is like a fidget toy for me right now. And I wanted to see if I can set up the Samsung Watch before everything is set up with you guys, so I don't have to go through this on my own. It was a deal where I had to trade in my old Samsung with the new one, and they gave me the watch for about like, I think $100. It's a really good deal, yeah. The Samsung Watch is turning on. I think there's about, let's see. It's installing apps. Transfer is only 3.7%. It's taking its time. It'll take a long time for it to process, but we'll see what happens once everything is set up. Here's the watch. It's already... That's weird. Yeah, it looks really cool. I don't know if I might end up buying a protector for the screen, but everything functions really good. Let's see if it turns on. Okay. Galaxy wearable app on my phone. Let's see. Oh, now you guys know my password. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change it. But yeah. Don't worry, I trust you guys. Let's confirm. I'm not sure if you guys see what's written. My camera is not focusing really good. I'm actually filming this with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so yeah. I'm in the zone where I'm seeing if I will keep my iPhone or I'll just switch back to Android. Allow everything, agree to everything. So yeah, 6%, 7%, 8%. It's set on my watch. Not sure how long the battery life is on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Classic 6 Classics, but we'll see what happens. So, show them what I count. This is not my main account actually. It wasn't able to identify my Google account for some reason. Not sure why. The issues with Google account, but we'll see. So yeah, it's an issue that came up. My account wasn't transferred directly, and it wasn't able to. After I put my account in manually, it cannot access my account for some reason with the watch, so that's frustrating. But yeah, it's transferring all the files. I'm gonna forward them. I'm gonna speed up this process until it finishes. Watch is starting, but I need to also try the switching again. the watch is starting, I think. Traces agree to the install. So I help monitor, don't know all of this. Okay, not interested. But here we go. The watch is starting. I gotta set up the, so it says no, don't want the tour. But yeah, the watch is already set up. I'm not sure if my camera is focusing enough, but it's really cool. I don't know if, yeah, I mean, it's fast. I haven't set it up at all, but yeah, it's really cool. Going back, I'm gonna switch my information from one device to another. So